In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your number in Google Meet. Verifying your number ensures a smoother and more secure experience while using the platform, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First off, let's dive into your Google account. You'll need to make sure you're signed in. If you're not logged in already, just open your preferred browser and head over to the Google main page. Here, at the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your credentials. Take a moment to make sure the account you're signing into is the correct one, the one you intend to use for Google Meet. Often, having multiple Google accounts can cause a bit of confusion, so it's always good to verify you're in the right one from the start. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access your account settings. You can do this by clicking on the round icon, which will typically be your profile photo, located again in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you'll want to choose Manage Your Google Account. This will bring you to a page filled with various options and settings related to your Google services. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Personal Info. This section is where you're going to add your phone number if you haven't already, or where you'll go to verify it. Scroll down a little until you see the Contact Info section. Here's where your phone number should be listed if you've previously added it. If not, you'll want to select Add a Phone Number. Follow the prompts to input your mobile number and ensure it's accurate before moving forward. Verification is key here. After you add or select your number, Google will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Grab your phone and keep an eye out for the code. It should arrive shortly. If it's taking a while, make sure your device has a network connection or try resending the code. Once you have it, go back to your computer and input the 6-digit code into the box provided on your screen. This process confirms that the number you've entered is indeed yours and reaches the right device. And that's it. You've successfully verified your number with Google Meet. Remember, verifying your number is crucial for security and accessibility reasons, ensuring a seamless experience when scheduling or joining meetings. If you encounter any issues, Google's support page is always available with additional solutions and troubleshooting tips. So next time you're set to join or host a meeting, you can be confident everything is ready to go. Verifying your number helps protect your account and enhances communication capabilities on Google Meet. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Until next time, take care and happy meeting.